Hello and welcome back to our Pharmex demo. I hope you've had a chance to watch our overview video. Today, we're going to dive into the details of the calendar service view, which is a key feature of our pharmacy management system. Let's start by finding the calendar service view. Look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical navigation menu. Find the Services option and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, click on Service Calendar. Great! Now you're looking at the Service Calendar page. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice the calendar is divided into three main areas. On the left, you have a side panel with a Book New Appointment button and your service filters. At the top, there's a toolbar. And below that, you'll see the main calendar area where all your appointments will be displayed. Let's talk about the toolbar first. It's your control center for viewing the calendar in different ways. By default, you're looking at the month view. But if you look to the right side of the toolbar, you'll see options to change this. Try clicking on the week view. See how it shows you the calendar from Sunday to Saturday. And look closely. You can now see time slots for each day. This will be really useful when we start booking appointments. Now click on the day view. This brings all your appointments for a single day into one column. And lastly, we have the list view, which simply lists all your appointments in order by date. On the left side of the toolbar, you'll find navigation tools. These help you move forward or backward in time. In month view, you can skip months. In week view, you'll move by weeks. And in day view, you'll go day by day. The list view moves by month. Now, you might be wondering, where are all my appointments? Don't worry, they're there. We just need to tell the calendar which ones to show. Look at the left panel. You'll see a list of services. These are all the services your pharmacy currently subscribes to. Some might be custom services you've set up. To see your appointments, just click on a service in the menu. Let's start by clicking All to see everything. Look at that. Now you can see all your events for the current month. Try clicking the back arrow in the toolbar to see last month's appointments too. If you have a lot of appointments and want to focus on just one type, you can click to filter them. For example, let's click on Pharmacy first. Now let's look at an individual appointment. See John's appointment on the 23rd. Click on it. This opens up the appointment details. It looks like it's for shingles. From here, you have several options. You can go to the appointment to provide the service, which means filling in the form. Or you can view the form, print it, or even print a prescription. You can edit the appointment, send John a text message, or view messages you've already sent him. Let's go back to the month view. You'll notice that each appointment has a number before the name. This tells you the time. For example, 12A means 12 a.m. and 3P means 3 p.m. Editing appointments is easy in Calendar View. If you just want to change the time, simply click and drag the appointment. If you drag it to a different day, you'll get a prompt asking if you want to warn the patient about the change. You can send a text along with the change if you like. To change the time but keep it on the same day, click on the day to open the day view. Then you can drag the appointment up or down to change the time. Again, you'll be asked if you want to notify the patient. Of course, you can always manually edit an appointment by opening it and clicking Edit Appointment. This lets you change any of the appointment details. Now, let's talk about booking a new appointment. One of the best ways to do this without conflicting with other appointments is to use the day or week view. This lets you see which time slots are empty. Let me show you. Click on a date in the month view to open the day view. Now find an empty time slot and click on it. This will open up the new appointment form with the time already filled in for you. Let's go through booking an appointment together. If the patient is already in your database, their name will appear as you type. If not, you can add a new patient. For this example, let's pick John again. Next, we'll find John's GP, type in the GP details, and it will pull information from the NHS services data. Now, select a service. Let's pick Pharmacy First again. If you want to do this appointment remotely, select Remote. This will generate a video link for the appointment and send the patient a text with the link. Select the service type. In this case, we'll pick shingles. You don't need to touch the coach or overstatus options for now. Just leave them as default. Answer any triage questions that come up. You can add additional information in the notes section if you need to. Make sure to accept the terms and conditions, and then you can choose whether to send a text message to the patient. And that's it. The appointment is now booked and will appear in your calendar. Remember, this calendar is your central hub for managing all your pharmacy services and appointments. Play around with the different views and features to find what works best for you. And don't forget, you can always update your service list in the Service Management section. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Enjoy using your new Pharmex calendar system.